Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa powder. First, you'll want to prepare your quinoa. Take about 1 cup of raw quinoa and rinse it very well under cold, running water. This step is crucial to remove saponins, which can give quinoa a bitter taste and affect the powder's flavor. A fine mesh sieve works perfectly for this, ensuring all the water drains away before moving to the next stage. Once rinsed, spread your quinoa in a single, thin layer on a baking sheet. You can air dry it for several hours, or for a quicker method, use your oven. Bake it at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 hours. Stir it occasionally to ensure even drying. The quinoa must be completely dry and crispy. Any moisture will prevent it from grinding into a fine powder. Now for the exciting part, grinding. Transfer your thoroughly dried quinoa into a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. It's best to work in small batches to avoid overheating your appliance and to ensure a uniform grind. Pulse and blend until you achieve a very fine, flour-like powder. Sift it if you want an even smoother texture, then regrind any larger pieces. To keep your homemade quinoa powder fresh, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It will maintain its quality for up to 6 months. You can use this versatile powder in smoothies, as a thickener for soups, or even incorporate it into your baking recipes for added nutrition. It's a fantastic way to boost the protein and fiber content of your meals. Also, for a fantastic way to stay hydrated, check out the Eau à la water bottle link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.